morning, everyone! Welcome to DETi. I'm Neka. Today, I'm gonna tour you around the school and show you the facilities that you can enjoy here. Let's go! Now we are at the main house. Inside the main house, there are rooms for students to stay. Living room, dining area, and kitchen. Let's go upstairs to see the full view of the school. The beach. Sit down and have coffee in the morning. The swimming pool around here. That's the cottage C, B, and A. Students can also stay and have lessons in cottage A and cottage B. This is the cottage C, where most of the time they have lessons here. This is the cottage D, or the kids' room, where kids can learn and play. On this side is the forest cottage for intern students. Outside DETi, we have safari. We also have vegetable garden. Come! One of the nicest facilities here in DETi is our swimming pool. Come, let's take a look. Oh, lovely! Here's another view of the pool. On the last corner of the school, you can find the teacher's office. DETi is located on the beachfront, so anytime you can have fun on the beach. So that's it. Come and experience DETi. Thank you very much.